To evaluate expressions with different variables, they're always going to tell you the value of the variables when they're asking you to evaluate. So C is 6. So I'm going to go to this expression and I'm going to cross out C and put a 6. And Y is negative 3. Anytime you have a number stuck to a letter, whatever you're substituting needs to go in parentheses like this. All right. So when you write that without the letters, it looks like this. You have a negative 6 plus 5 parentheses negative 3. Okay, using the order of operations for integers, you want to save addition and subtraction for last. So I put a box around everything that's not addition or subtraction. So this is a negative 6 here. Okay. You have a positive times a negative. It takes two negatives to cancel this one out, and we don't have two of them here. So I'm just going to write down the negative, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Now you bring down the plus sign. Okay, so you have a negative 6 and a negative 15. So if I have a negative 6 and I add another negative to that, I'm going to get a negative answer. So if I have negative 6 and I add 15 more negatives, that's a total of 21 negatives. So negative 21. Okay, B is negative 7. Y is positive 7. But because of this 4 here, I'm going to put it in parentheses. Okay, separate my pieces, saving addition and subtraction for last. So this is a negative 7. 4 times 7 is 28. And bring down the negative. Okay. The signs are the same, so I find the sum. I have to add them. So 28 plus 7 is 35. The 28's larger. It's negative. That means your answer is negative. Negative 35. Okay, B is 4. B is 4. C is negative 6. So I have negative 8 times negative 6 plus 4. Save the addition and subtraction for last. Okay, you have one negative canceling out another one. If you have two, they cancel each other out. 8 times 6 is 48. And this is boxes of 4. Bring down your plus. 48 plus 4 is 52. And you're finished.